Welcome back guys to my session. I am Debojyoti Mitra once more with a lot of love and happiness for all of you. So I think all of you are very well, although I do not have a well acquaintance with God, but even then I can guess that all of you are well like me. So without delaying any more time, let's get straight to the main issue. So today I have come with a different sort of conception. So let me introduce with the issue, with the topic for what I have made myself visible to all of you. So majority of people in our locality, in our society, or even throughout the world, as usual, think that everyone just hurt me. I am getting hurt by him. I am getting hurt by her. He hurt me. She always tried to hurt me. Then what should I do? So whoever think about it, whoever think in this manner, in the way that everyone try to hurt me, now I am also getting hurt. So what should I do in reply of it? So whoever think in this manner, this video is just only for you. So let me start. So guys, in the very first of my session, I literally would like to say that, have you ever tried to realize by yourself that is that particular person who hurt you your problem, or your thoughts, your visions, your conception regarding that person your problem? Please tell me, have you ever tried to look at it? Hence, as usual, you think that this person is hurt, just trying to hurt me, and I am also getting hurt. But this particular person is not your problem. Deep down, try to realize by yourself. The particular person is not your problem. Your problem is that the way you think about it, it's your problem. Are you getting me? Means, suppose your one friend has told you something pinching, or told you something vulgar. So, if you also try to do the same, if you also try to make him angry by saying some pinching words in the same way or in reply of it, then will you be self-contented? Not at all. Now the question is why? Because if in the reply of his behavior you do the same, then he also will do the same, then you also try to do the same, thereafter you also will be doing so. This person in reply of it also will be doing so against you, so it will never gonna be end. Why you don't try to understand? It's not your fault actually. Suppose many of the people say that my father is my problem, my parents is my problem, my family is my problem, my circumstances is my own problem. Oh God, nothing and no one is your problem. Your problem, the way you think about it, whatever you have, your thought, your conception, your vision regarding all the things, it's all about your problem. The persons, the conditions, the situations, the circumstances are not your problem at all. Try to think, try to realize it and recognize it by your yourself, by your inner side of heart. Are you getting me? Did you get? Means, your father, your mother, your friends, your circumstance, if they are your problem, then will they change for you? I don't think so. Can you be able to change anyone else from their basic nature? No, tell me that. Can you change yourself from your basic nature? Can anyone be able to change you? The way you are living your life fully? Will be able to change you fully? It can't, because it's our human nature. This is the problem. And one more thing is that each and every time we try to think about others. If we get happy, then it's because of others. If we get hurt, then it's also because of others. Then where is our own existence? If we start thinking about all the world, that means it shows that the world is controlling us. We have no any capacity at all. We have no any possessive capacity and competency over us. That means we're nothing. people, world, circumstances, situations, problems are leading our life. We're just floating in the air. Is it so? No. If we try to think about our problem regarding the circumstances, the world, the people around us, that means we're nothing else. We're just floating. So this is the thing. You have to think it even more deeply. You have to be happy by your own self. You have to be hurt. You have to be hurt for you. If you do something wrong, then you may get hurt by thinking so. If you do something right, something tremendous for society, then you need to be happy, thinking by your own capacity, your own activities. But to be happy or to be hurt, you don't need to rely on others. We have our own control. We have our own capacity to think ourselves, and this is our brain. So we have to change our focus first of all. Our focus should be on our mind, on our own brain. Okay, let's play a game. Just for some time, for some seconds, just turn off your brain. Turn off the switch of your brain. Our time starts now. Time over. Now turn on your brain. So whoever is still watching my video and whoever have turned off your memory for some time, did you get any sort of thinking? Did you have any sort of thought about anything else? To be honest with all of you, I didn't have any thought when I turned off my brain. But now I turned on my brain and also saying something towards you. That means now my brain started working. Are you getting me? When you turned off your brain, then it seemed to you, and that's for sure. It seemed to you that your brain is that sort of computer that has been formed just before. And when you turned on your switch of your brain, and also you were getting me, and I'm also trying to make you understand about something else. Now it is seeming to us that our brain is working even very rapidly, and sometimes it just get hang. Is it? I'm feeling something like that. My brain is that sort of computer. It's working very rapidly right now, and sometimes it's get hang. Like sometimes I get hang that what should I say to all of you? Is it good or bad? Something like that. So nothing is there. Everything relies on your thoughts, your thinking. This is the main focus. This is the main point. And on this point we have to focus. But we can't give focus. We can't focus in this. Rather, we are trying to focus on that sort of things which is not in our hands. So we have no any authority over others' behavior. The way others behave with you, it not your business. How they can behave with you, how they can feel about you, it's their own matter, it's their personal matter. You can never be able to change their behavior, their thoughts, their conceptions. Let it be. Now tell me that anyone will be able to change your own thoughts, your own thinking, your own activities, your own habit. Will anyone be able? If for this time you can, you can say that yes, someone will be able. I don't think so. I can't believe, because it's not the rule. It's out of rule. It's out of your rule. No one can be able to change you, because your thoughts, thinking capacity has been set. Whatever you will do as per your own thinking capacity. So my only request, my only approach to all of you that always try to control your this point of view, rather not others, because it's not in your hand. It's not on our hand. It's not our capacity. We have no authority over their conception, their behavior. So this is all about today's discussion. So whoever, as usual, think that he hurt me, she hurt me, oh, let it be there. You try to control yourself, everything will be okay. Just left thinking about others. Whoever do anything else, I don't bother about it at all. This motto should be taken from now, and that's all about it. So again, wish all of you a nice future. Now I am Devajyoti Mitra signing off until we meet again. So till then, stay well and blessed. Thank you.